sitting here, this deer won't fucking move. I don't want to spook him. Looks like there's a big buck over there. I don't know what to know. They're stupid. Look at me, you're just looking at me. I'm trying to get set up. Got out here too fucking late. Look how stupid they are. I'm about 80 yards from him. He's just chilling. They're so used to cars. Look at it. I ain't just gonna stop and fucking shoot him. This ain't hunting. I gotta sit out in the cold. There he goes. Run away, little buddy. Go back over here for about an hour and a half when I get set up. Are you stupid, bud? Are you fucking stupid? That's a spike. That's a buck. A little buck. Good brown is down, boss.